What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back at it again with another video, and today we have an unboxing, and this has to be my worst impulse buy of 2020. And in this video, man, I want everybody to let me know what was your worst buy, your worst sneaker purchase of this year. Let me know down below in the comment section. Let's get some discussion going, because I know during this quarantine people been buying a lot of stuff that they probably wouldn't have bought last year, or they probably wouldn't have bought at all if it wasn't for them being stuck in the house every single day for the past couple of months, like me myself. So when y'all see what I'm about to unbox, man, don't judge me. I literally only bought this sneaker just because, and that's the worst time. That's the worst thing to do with buying anything, cars, houses, and especially sneakers, man. Sometimes that retail therapy be feeling very good, and sometimes that will lead you into buying things off of impulse. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. As you can see right here, man, we got the official The Vintage merch right here, man. We got the Vintage Squad on the front. Check it out, check it out. Very, very dope. I got this on my Teespring. It will be linked down below if you guys want to go cop some merch, man. I've seen a lot of people buying some merch already, so I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel. It really means a lot, man. And also, if you watch this, man, please smash that like button right now. Let's get this video up to 400 likes, and you guys are gonna see my worst pickup of the year. So all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. So I was on a live stream maybe 2 months ago. I think this is right when the quarantine started, and my boy was like, bro, check out these sneakers on Chem Sports. You can even get them for under retail right now. So I was like, okay, let me check it out real quick. Let me see what they're hitting for. I went there and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy it just because. Like I said, that's the worst time to buy some stuff, man. Just because you got the money to do something don't mean you have to pull the trigger every time. But I was like, bro, I literally haven't been hitting on any sneaker, so why not buy these joints right here? So let's go ahead and get right into it real quick. And like I said, guys, please do not judge your boy The Vintage Man. This is, like I said, my worst pickup of 2020. I know you guys probably already skipped through, like, bro, what did he buy? What did he buy? And this has to be the worst, man. I got this off of pure impulse, and I got it just because I could. So let's get into it. The box looks pretty dope. And once you see the box, you probably gonna know exactly what they are. And some people probably have never seen these at all, man. So let's go ahead and pull it out. You can see right here, you got the Reebok on the top. You got the Reebok on the side right here, the athlete's shoe, and it says the same thing on the other side. You see the cross on top of the box. And you see all the little Tom and Jerry's on the front. And y'all like, bro, did you really just buy a Tom and Jerry Reebok? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. You guys can go ahead and troll me down below right now in the comment section. Let's pull these things out real quick. And like I said, I bought these shoes back in March, and I'm just now unboxing it. It's July. It's like July 28th or something like that. I'm just now checking these things out, bro. Usually when you buy a pair of sneakers, you unbox it, you want to hurry up and get it open, see what you got. But these literally been sitting in my closet, and they actually been sitting on the back on my couch for the longest. If you guys go see the videos, and let's go ahead and pull these things out. Check out the tissue paper. You got Tom and Jerry on there. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but it says Tom and Jerry all over the tissue paper. And here we go, man. Check them out. Check them out. This is crazy, bro. I don't know why I bought these things. I probably will never, ever wear these in my life. I don't know what it is about them. I don't know why I bought these. I know I grew up watching Tom and Jerry and stuff like that, but bro, really, like, did you really have to buy the sneaker? You couldn't just keep it on the television show? But no, I pulled the trigger on these, and I don't know why, honestly. It's my worst buy, my worst impulse buy of 2020. But it got a couple of dope characteristics to it, a couple of dope touches. You got the Tom and Jerry right here on the side right there, as you can see. And now to think about it, bro, I don't even remember which one is Tom and which one is Jerry. That's how long ago I didn't watch the show. But you got the cat right there. You got like a blue insole. These laces is kind of funky, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen no laces like this before. And it's an all over suede with the sneaker. Got some pink hits on the insole and throughout the entire sneaker right here, as you can see. Something crazy, bro. Like I said, I don't know why I bought these, and I probably honestly will never wear these a day in my life. Check out the bottom. I guess this resembles a cheese or something like that. And let's pull out the other sneaker real quick. Get the box out the way, and bam, there you have it, the left shoe. And of course, this one has the mouse on the tongue right here. Check this shit out, bro. Like, why did I buy these, y'all? Like, please let me know. Y'all can troll me down below in the comment section. But this is the video where you guys can kind of vent to me, and you guys can go ahead and troll yourself. We're letting everybody know your worst sneaker pickup of the year as well, man. You got the bomb right here. Check it out. It's some dope touches on here, but like, bro, Will I ever wear these a day in my life? No. It's a definite no. And I don't remember the last time I had bought a Reebok before, but like I said, check these out. You got your Tom and Jerry on the insole right there. You got the hammer, and what else is on the insole? You got like some tissue paper right here. You see the mouse in there kind of like smashing that Tom and Jerry logo. Like I said, guys, you can troll me right now. I don't know what I was thinking, bro. But you can fact check me. You can see literally I bought these shoes maybe back in March sometime, like late March, probably even early March. I was on live stream and everybody was like, bro, they sitting on Champ Sports, go cop a pair. I'm like, all right, why not? You know what I'm saying? And I'm just now unboxing these things. I'm gonna show you guys a date, you know what I'm saying, so you guys can see I ain't lying. You can see right here the date says July 27th, man. So 2-3 months of me waiting to unbox these, and I finally figured out a video to do and to kind of explain to you guys how impulse this was. I was in my closet yesterday after putting up all the clothes that Mnml sent over to me. I was like, bro, I still haven't unboxed this sneaker, so I had to do the video today, let you guys know my worst and my most impulse buy of 2020, man. I wonder how much these are selling on StockX or GOAT. I might list them right now because I know for sure I will never wear these sneakers. I don't know why I bought them. And after I was like, oh, I did buy those. I forgot what color they were. I forgot how they looked in general. And I was like, bro, why did I even buy these sneakers? So yeah, guys, you can troll me right now down below in the comment section. But please, when you're trolling me, let me know your worst sneaker pickup of the year as well, so I can troll you back, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying this shoe is trash, it's just super gimmicky, and it's just not my style. So let's go ahead and get these things out the way. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video. Like I said, answer the question I asked you guys, what's your worst sneaker pickup of the year? I'm very interested in knowing. Comment it down below in the comment section. If you want some merch, man, check my Teesprings. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And right under the video, it shows a couple of different items that's on my Teesprings website, man. So make sure you go check it out. Go cop some merch. Got some very, very dope things to offer you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Please do not judge me off of this sneaker pickup. I bought these back in March, and I forgot I even bought these sneakers, man. We got some heat in the back. We got some heat in the back, and we got some more heat on the way. So right now, hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Smash the like button to go for every video is 400 likes. I know you guys probably don't want to hit that like button for this video right here, but please, please, please just know we got some more heat coming. Head over to Instagram and give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.